हेलो इवन। तो आज मैं वो मल्टीवर्स के बारे में बात करूँगा, ठीक है। मल्टीवर्स में तो बहुत सारा चीज़ें अभी बताई गई है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिफरेंस हो सकता है, ईयर डिफरेंस हो सकता है। मतलब हर साल में मैं बॉर्न हो रहा हूँ और हर साल में हो रहा हूँ मैं। उसके साथ ही हर मंथ, हर ईयर के हर मंथ में बॉर्न हो रहा हूँ। जैसे मैं इस साल मैं एक्चुअली 2001 में जन्मा हूँ। मतलब दूसरे 2001 के जनवरी महीने में 31 को पैदा हुआ था, लेकिन दूसरे यूनिवर्स में जनवरी के 2001 के जनवरी के 1 को पैदा हो सकते हो, या फिर 25 को जनवरी 2001, या फिर 22 जनवरी। वैसे ही दूसरे यूनिवर्स के 2001 के फरवरी के 1 तारीख को, या फिर 2001 के फरवरी के 2 तारीख को। ऐसे ही ईयर भी अभी 2002 का जनवरी का 31 भी, 2002 का जनवरी का ये भी, समझ में। ये तो हो गई मतलब ईयर, डेट, डे, ईयर, मंथ। हर प्लेस में मतलब हर कंट्रीज के स्टेट में एक ही चीज़ लागू होगा। बिहार में भी 2001 का जनवरी का 31 होगा। इंडिया में वहाँ पे फरवरी में भी 1 या फिर कब होगा। ऐसे 2002 का भी जनवरी 31 को बिहार में होगा। वैसे लंबा लिस्ट है, मतलब पूरा बहुत लंबा लिस्ट है। इंडिया का ही पूछो, पूरा वर्ल्ड का कितना होगा, इनफाइनाइट होगा, इनफाइनाइट होगा। और ये तो सच है कि हमारा चेहरा तो हमेशा सेम नहीं होगा, अलग अलग होगा। किसी जगह पे कोरियन होगा, किसी को अमेरिकन होगा, किसी में जर्मन होगा, किसी में पाकिस्तानी होगा, किसी में चाइनीज़ होगा, कभी जापानीज़ होगा। और हर एक कंट्रीज़ का ईयर से, जैसे मैं इस 31 जनवरी 2001, वो हर देश अलग अलग यूनिवर्स में थोड़ा सेम होगा, ठीक है। वैसे ही तो पहले काउंट कर लेते हैं कि इस पूरी दुनिया में कि इस इंडिया में कितने 31 जनवरी का मेल वर्सन रहेगा। ओके, यू कैन सी दिस इज माई दिस इज माई ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्स। ओके, लेकिन सो इन अदर यूनिवर्सेस टू, in Bihar to in WB, in Bihar to Bihar, my male version her 31st January 2001, Delhi 31st January 2001, again on UP 2001 31st Jan, again 31st January in Kashmir, in Jammu and Kashmir, as male version. Similarly, female version also same. So here, as I'm looking now in as female version, this date and this place will be look common. See here, a similar thing will happen, but different states will happen. Okay, like that, a similar thing similar thing, but it's not obvious that in every university it will be 31st January 2001. In some university it can be 25th January 2001. So 25th January 2001, 25th January 2001, 25th January 25th. 25th January or 12th January 2001 in West Bengal or Bihar or Delhi, UP, Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Goa, Punjab, Odisha, all dates will be changed, okay? Or otherwise another thing will change হচ্ছে the 12 months again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This could change. So it will be 31st of December, 31st of December, okay? Or 31st December, born in 31st December 2001 in Bihar, 31st December, born in Delhi, 31st December 2001, born in Uttar Pradesh, 31st December 2001, born in Kashmir, 31st December, born in Uttarakhand, 31st December, born in Goa, 31st December, born in Punjab. So this all as male version. Like also a similar thing goes with my female version too. And these all are like this in different. So there are too many countries: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, Japan, Korea, USA, Germany, Brazil, Turkey, Iran, Iraq. All these are different states. Each country has different states, and each. So I could have born in another universe 31st January 2001 in USA is USA. Again, I'm right. 31st January 2001 on other universe in New York City, or 31st January of USA as in Boston City, 31st January 2001 in Las Vegas or Los Angeles or Chicago. Same thing, 31st January 2001, 31st January 2001, same thing. Also in other universe space, month could changes. In it could be March 31st March 2001 New York, 31st March 2001 Boston, or 31st December 2001 New York. The same thing goes on like with Pakistan also. 31st January 2001 Pakistan in any of the states of Pakistan, like say Punjab. Pakistan also Punjab, okay? So Punjab, 31st January 2001 in Kashmir. So this, not only this, it could be 1 or 2 or 12 January 2001 in New York, or 2nd January of 2001 in New York, or 12th March 2001, or 12th of February 2001 New York, or 12th of February 2001 Boston City, or 12th January 2001 in Pakistan, Punjab, or 12th January 2001 in Pakistan's Kashmir. Also in China too, 31st January 2001. And Beijing or any state of China happens. Different states of China. Also, it depends on how much the states are, total number of states. So, the ultimate conclusion about the multiverse is it depends on the nationality, then states of that country, state, and then year could be 1998 or 2001 or 2002, and every year I'm born in 2022. Also I will be born in every week I'm born in, because every second cell universe is born in. I don't know how much time works in other universes, but still I am born or dying. Okay, I'm born or dying every year, every month, every week, every second. I'm born in each and every universes, and this is the multiverse. Also possible that some of the universes, my 31st January 2001 versions, and this is my main version, 31st January 2001. I consider myself, this is a main version of myself. Also, I could look like celebrities of this particular day, month, and year. In other countries, I could look like Robert Downey Jr. or look like Kylie Minogue, or look like Ashish Chanchalani, or Tom Holland, or Mr. Bean, or any celebrities, actresses, singers, dancer. I look like. In multiverse is possible. Also not possible too. I could look same to them or not similar to them. And this is what I have to say about the multiverse. Now, more to explore about the multiverse, I gonna make video later, but this much is enough to make everyone understand.